On a recent trip to Oklahoma, we came across an American persimmon tree, and it had lots of fruit on it. There was a bunch on the ground too. Are they pretty? The fruit are, I'd say, about 2 inches. They're not very big. It can be used for pudding, jams. You can make syrups, molasses kind of things out of it. You can even dry it, which is heavenly. It's like eating candy. In the American Civil War, the seeds actually were used for buttons. I thought that was some interesting info. That's how you harvest the seed. That's what the seeds look like. They are very hard. They are quite hard, so I see why they use them as buttons. And here, if you split them in half, you can get a spoon, a knife, or a fork. And a spoon represents a wet, cold winter. If you open it, try to open it where that little piece sticks out on the end. It's a lot easier to open from right there.